How to get refund on Google Play in-app purchase. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can get a refund on Google Play in-app purchase. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you could open up Google Play Store in your device. Once you open up the application, tap on your profile at the top right from this menu bar, head over to help and feedback. That's gonna take you a different piece. Now here, all you have to do is tap on the search bar. Now you could search for a refund. And here it says request a refund on Google Pay. So tap on it and here you have an article that says request a refund on Google Play. First of all, you have to check if a purchase is eligible for refund. And now to check the status of an existing refund, you have to check your refund request status. Scroll to it. Now if you tap on request a refund, that's gonna check your account refund status. So you have to wait for a while, and if you're eligible, you will have a form to submit the request for your Google Play refund. And in case if you cannot find the option to refund here, so here what you have, it says if you do not find your purchase when you try to request a refund through the link above. So when you tap on this button that says request a refund, and in case if it does not find your purchase, then you could also head over to the Google Play website. So from here, as it says, you have to go to play.google.com. After that, tap on the top right, or at the top right, you have to click on your profile picture. So once you click on your profile picture, then head over to payment and subscription. There, click on budget and order history. Then from the order you want to return, you have to click on the report a problem. Then you have to select the option that describes your situation. Then at last you have to complete the form and note like that you like a refund. Once done, click on submit. And with that, once you have submitted your request, Google Play will review your request and will get back to you to refund your purchase. So that's it. That's how you can get a refund on Google Play in-app purchase. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.